Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 attempt. So I hope you all know that I host free live classes on Unacademy daily at 7 p.m. and we have completed two chapters of JIJL, the first one and the second, that was Constitution of India. So if you've still not joined the session, I would highly request you to join them at 7 p.m. They're totally free of cost. Yes, they're free of cost. You just have to unlock them by using my code CSJAS. And I don't only teach JIGL but also company law for CS executive students. And we are resuming the chapter 2 of company law. So I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 19th and 20th January sharp at 7 p.m. So on 19th January, we will study about the topic of all about share certificates. Share certificate is an important topic of chapter number 2, that is share capital. So make sure you join the session. The sessions are always detailed and I take up your doubts as well as I conduct the polls, that is the question answer format, so that there is a kind of revision also during the session only. So make sure you join the session. And on 20th, that is tomorrow, we will study all about equity and preference share capital. As in, we have already discussed the basic equity and preference share capital, but now in this class we will discuss in detail what is equity and preference share capital and all the related topics as well. So make sure you join the session. The sessions are fruitful and informative and educative at the same point of time, and they are free of cost. You can unlock the sessions by using my code CSJAS, and Unacademy offers courses for CA, CS, CMA students and for CS students, batches that are for CS EET and CS executive. The links are in the description box below. You can go and click on the batch link and get subscription, and while getting subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount, and alongside getting flat 10% discount, you can even schedule a live video call of 30 minutes with me. That is a one-on-one mentorship call with me if you get subscription using my code. How can you schedule a call? The steps will be given in the description box below. Make sure you check them, and in case you take the subscription, make sure you schedule a mentorship call with me as well. So hoping you all joining the sessions today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. दोनों ही classes के class links नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on them and press notify me ताकि class शुरू होने से पहले आपको एक notification मिल जाए and you don't miss any class from my side. Bye bye.